Hi, so I am here to do a quick tutorial on fair entry. I apologize for the delay. We had quite the mix-up with getting our fair entry going. It should have been ready to go. Something happened and everything disappeared. So Bree, Isaiah, and I basically had to rebuild our fair entry hierarchy on the fly. So we are ready to go now. And I wanted to very quickly give you a tutorial on how to do fair entry. So I apologize because I'm trying to navigate the video as well as fair entry at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and move you over here. And we're going to share this. Okay. All right. So you should now see the fair entry screen. If you go to fairentry.com, this is the title screen that you'll see. And there are a couple of ways to get to the 2023 Owen County Fair. And I'm going to do the long way just so you know how, but I also published the link on a social media post to go directly to our fair page, which you can do as well. So this long way adds a couple of steps, but that way you'll know how to do it if you can't find the direct link. All right, so you're at the title page at fairentry.com. It's a pretty straightforward web address. Up here, you're going to go to find your fair. You're going to click. And over here on the left side, it's sorted by state. You're going to filter by state. You're going to do the drop-down menu. Come down here to Indiana. Search. And then it will pop up all of the Indiana fairs. You're going to scroll down to 2023 Owen County Fair, which is right here. You're going to click on that. And you're going to sign in, excuse me, you're going to sign in with 4-H Online. These are going to be the same credentials you use in 4-H Online. And I'm going to go into our personal account because that is the way you will see it from your perspective. So I'm going in under my son's account. And we will enter some entries for him. Now, I've already done his animals. I was going to save those and do those for you in this tutorial, but in the course of trying to figure out our glitches, I went ahead and got his animals in. So I will try to show you maybe a ghost animal here as an example. So we've already started with Lucas. So his name is already here. When you sign in, it'll probably come up with all of your family members listed here, and you're going to choose the one that you want to edit to add entries. So here I'm going to edit Lucas. And his information is here. I'm going to continue to entries. And you can see I've already put in few for him. So he's got his 2 goats in here and goat showmanship. So I'm going to show you real quickly one of his goat entries. So here is numbers 6228. So this is the tag number. Once you get your animals in, their tag number or tattoo will show up there on that right side as a blue link. So you can go to edit. And here's all the information for this entry number 5, which is goat number 228. And it has all the information that it pulled over from 4-H Online. Okay. Now it's going to ask you for files, for pictures, which you do not need to do. What I suggest, if you're getting a blue incomplete bar on the final page, go back in, go to edit, and then you don't have to enter anything here. Just continue out. It'll show files saved. It looks like you've opened it and done something with it, and then it will come up complete, because that's what I had to do here with Lucas's. If you do add another entry, it's going to add another entry to the division that you, or the department that you were just in. Right, you can either change that here or cancel out and just go back into entries. So I'm going to go straight from there. We're going to add bike rodeo. Bike rodeo is a county only project. And it's right here. You can see that. I'm going to select that. We're going to choose that. And bicycle rodeo. All right, so it says it's not available. So that means that Lucas is not enrolled in bicycle in 4-H online. So it's not allowing him to enter a fair entry here. All right, so we're going to go back to entries. Okay, and we're going to go to one that he is entered in. So entries, we're going to add an entry, and again, county project, and we're going to go to ATV. Okay, county only ATV, we're going to choose that one. Right, he is an advanced. We're going to select that and continue. All right, his primary club is fishing team, or actually with this entry, we're going to say ATV club. Continue. Again, files here, we don't really have any. So we're going to continue out of that. And then we're going to go back to entries to see how we added his entry here. It's going to show up on your list. So when you go back to that list, all of them should be here. All right. So you can see he's got ATV, he's got lawn and garden tractor operator skills, he's got goat showmanship, and then his 2 boar goats are here. So like I said, if you show an animal, it's going to have its tag number here. That's going to, that's a hot link. So it'll go right to the information on your animal. And that way you'll be able to figure out which animal it is. If you have lots of them, you can see the information associated with that particular animal. You can edit over here. So if you put in the wrong division or something like that, you can edit it, that sort of thing. Now, once you continue to payment, okay, there's no payment, it's 0, as you can see right here. You're just going to continue. Payment method is not necessary because your invoice is 0. You're going to continue. You have to submit. So you're going to agree to the statement here. And then you have to submit this. Your entries are not going to show up for us in the office unless you submit. Once you submit, you're not going to be able to make any changes until we approve your entries on this end. So once we do that, you'll be able to get back in and edit, or you can call us in the office and we can help you do that from this end. So if you submit and you're like, oh no, I forgot to add a goat or whatever. Once you submit it, you're not going to be able to change it until we approve it here in the office. And then you should be able to get in and edit some of that. Or you can call us and we can help you from this end. So we're going to go ahead and submit Lucas's. We're going to sign out. And we are all done. Okay, hopefully that helped. If it's still just clear as mud, you can give us a call. Isaiah, Bree, myself, all can help you get your entries into Fair Entry. We would like to have everything, absolutely everything, including livestock, in fair entry by the 29th of June. If you are in a creative expo project, so I'm not going to remember them all off the top of my head, but sewing, wearable or non-wearable, any of the communications events, so demos, speech, that sort of thing, home environment. I feel like there are more that I'm forgetting. Any of those projects, Creative Expo is on the 30th. So we would really like you to have your fair entry done before that. If you can have it done by the 23rd, that'd be great. If you're having trouble, go ahead and give us a call and we can help you get it in. All right, I am going to stop sharing my screen. I am going to close this. And if you have any questions, please give us a call here, 829-5020. Thank you.